Hello? Hello? But I keep busy. I'm typing the email now. It's coming in the next minute.
But I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart. But there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything is
Hey, welcome to today's day of the vlog. It's late in the afternoon and I'm about to take a walk. I booked myself for a netball match this coming Sunday and I haven't played netball since 2011. So it's been 10 years, so I just thought I should get fit leading towards Sunday. So I'm just gonna take a walk. My sister moved in very close to where I stay, so if she's home, we'll go and say hi. I should be back maybe in an hour's time from now, but yeah, let's take a walk. Hi. I'm also taking a video. Hey family, so it's nighttime. It's about 10 to 8 at the moment. I came back and it was really cold. Like today was a gloomy day, so I came back sneezing. So the first thing I did was I steamed and then took a hot bath, and now I'm about to have some tea and raw ginger with honey just to help me block out or prevent any cold from infesting my body. So yeah, I'm gonna call it a night. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning and welcome to Thursday. So I've already started working and I'm just going to continue. I don't believe I've mentioned this, but I'm planning a birthday dinner later on this month. So when I get a tea break, I'm going to there's this particular restaurant that I saw on the internet that they accommodate the number of people that I want at my dinner. So I'm gonna give them a call to arrange for a viewing this coming Saturday. And yeah, so I'll take you guys with me when I make that call. See you later. Speaking with Ritumetse, and I just want to ask a few questions. I'm looking for a place to host a maximum of 30 people, and I saw on the internet that you have such a room, so I just want to find out the pricing and availability. for the 24th of September in the evening for dinner. Okay, per person. Okay. All right. And can I also arrange maybe for this coming Saturday to come and view the place before I actually put down the deposit? All right. No problem. We'll see you on Saturday then. Thank you. And I can make the payment then, like right then when if I'm happy with it. Okay. All right. All right. Thank you so much, babe. All right. Bye. Oh my gosh, so I'm so excited. I called the place. It's actually affordable. Like I can afford this. So they said that I can go and view the place this coming Saturday. And I'm so excited. Like I just need to pay like a 1.5 deposit. It is the date that I want to use is available. I'm so excited. And it's 350 Rand per person. I was actually budgeting for like 500 Rand per person. So this is like super great news for me. I'll have like extra cash to maybe throw in the decoration of the place and stuff. But I'm super stoked. Okay. So yeah, so that's it for today. I'm not sure like I have nothing else interesting planned for the day. I'm just gonna keep working like like I do. And tomorrow though, I want to go to a hair place to get some what is this hairpiece to for my hair content and stuff. I've run out of those. So tomorrow afternoon after knock off time though, like probably like at like 4:30 to 5, I'll be getting ready to make my way to the nearest hairpiece shop to get some hair supplies. And yeah, man, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Mwah. Bye. Morning. It's Saturday, and guys, I think you know that flu, right? That feels like you're suffocating when you swallow spit. I'm going through that right now, and basically I planned to film some makeup and hair content today, and also to go on a solo date to the place that I plan to book for my birthday dinner, just to scout the place and visualize the decorations and stuff. So that was my plan for today, but I think I'm just going to stay in, drug myself with medicine, and just sleep in the whole day. And hopefully I'll be well by tomorrow so I can still make the netball match, because I'm really excited for that. Like I really want to, but we'll see how the weekend goes. So yeah, I don't think I'll film much of anything today. If I get better, maybe, but if I don't, I think I might also, because I want to send out the RSVP invites today. And the plan was, because I would have seen the place, paid the deposit, when I'd get back home, I would send out the invites. But I think hopefully they have pictures online that I can see. And I saw they had like a book button on their website, so maybe I can do everything electronically. So I'm just gonna check that out now, and if I can definitely book and pay the deposit electronically, then that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, thank you for reaching this day of the vlog. I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys tomorrow or later on today if I get better. But yeah, I love you guys so much.